Arrive in style with this Dodge 2018 Journey GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, DVD audio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 8.4 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.